Hi, welcome to Basic Mixer. We have another basic snack for you today, another recipe that's easy and quick and delicious. Today it's a muffin in a glass or cup. Or you can use a mug. I'm just using a glass, which I have already sprayed with nonstick spray. And so it's also a gluten-free and healthy recipe. Right here I have ground flax meal, and I have 1/4 cup of that. And it's also relatively inexpensive, which is nice. We can just get it at our 99-cent store. Here's a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. We also have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. And what could be easier? Oh wait, we forgot something. What did we forget? One egg. That's right. 1 egg. Nice. So easy and so delicious. You could actually mix it in the cup or mug. I just like to have a bigger area to mix with because that can be a little messy personally. But I want to make sure I didn't waste any ingredients. Then we just put it in our cup or mug, and we put it in the microwave for 1 minute. And we can kind of smooth the top after we get all of the muffin batter in there. So it will be moist for a few seconds. We can just let it cool down. It's actually kind of hot. We could use our spoon or a fork and just gently lift it out. And there we are. Healthy, gluten-free, delicious muffin. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.